Easiest way to read stock market charts. Reading stock market charts can feel overwhelming at first, but focusing on the basics makes it much easier. Here's a simple step-by-step guide. 1. Understand the chart types. Line charts show the closing prices over time, great for beginners. Bar charts display open, high, low, and close OHLC prices for a given period. Candlestick charts, similar to bar charts but use colored candles for a more visual representation. 2. Identify the time frame. Charts can show data for different time frames, for example, daily, weekly, or monthly. Choose a time frame that matches your investment strategy. Short-term traders might use daily or hourly charts. Long-term investors use weekly or monthly. 3. Focus on key elements. Price axis, y-axis, shows the stock's price range. Time axis, x-axis, shows the time period. Volume bars indicate how many shares were traded, usually at the bottom of the chart. 4. Learn to spot trends. Uptrend, higher highs and higher lows. Downtrend, lower highs and lower lows. Sideways or range-bound, relatively stable highs and lows. 5. Use simple indicators, optional for beginners. Moving averages, MA, show the average price over a period, for example, 50-day MA. Relative Strength Index, RSI, measures momentum. Values above 70 indicate overbought, and below 30 indicate oversold. 6. Analyze support and resistance levels. Support, the price level where a stock tends to stop falling and bounce back. Resistance, the price level where a stock tends to stop rising. 7. Avoid overloading with too many tools. Stick to a few indicators that you understand and can consistently interpret. Practical tips. Start with a practice account on a stock trading platform. Use free tools like Yahoo Finance, TradingView, or Google Finance to access charts. Watch tutorials to see how others analyze charts. Mastering charts takes time, but focusing on these basics will help you make sense of market movements and improve your decision-making. There are more videos in YouTube playlists if you would like to deeper dive into any points. Please check it out.